Welcome back to this little shed of mine. I am Lynn in front of the camera, and behind me is nature. Yes, we woke up in nature because why? We are still at the campsite. Yeah, but you know what? Come on in and get a look at some of this scenery that we enjoyed while being at the campsite. Y'all check it out, the free library. Yes, they offer the little free library here at the camping station. Even though it's not many books in here, but hey, isn't that neat? So the next time I know I'll have to drop some books off because I got plenty of books that I can donate to the free library. Yes, indeed. And there's our camp neighbors back there. Y'all see them back there? They're just camping away. Going to go see if we can make it to the water down there. Got to remember where our campsite at up there. Hopefully we can get to the water. I know it's connected to a lot of other campsites where people are residing at and camping at. But yeah, we are walking through the woods. Okay, almost there. They out there on their boat, baby. Yes. That was awesome.
Look at them on their boat.
They on their boat. Look at
Oh,
there.
are they? What are these? Oh, she's on the
Yeah, they
the
pulling
boat
her.
right there.
Yes. Remember I did that?
You did that?
Yeah.
Oh wow. Hey, mama.
This is pretty cool. Oh, you know what? We should have been out here when they had the sunset. Sun is about to set in a minute too.
Is it really?
You can, yeah. It's high, but I'm saying in a little while, it'll be setting. This is beautiful. Wow. Okay, you guys, that concludes this video, but I want to remind you to continue to be the light in this dark world. And thank you for allowing me to shed and spread some light, some life, and love on your timeline. And until the next video, be sure to make those moments into lasting memories and live, laugh, and love on purpose. Love someone with the love of God. And until the next video.